Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from 1inch to Cash App. For this video, we'll be using Bitcoin as an example to show how to transfer crypto from 1inch to Cash App. First, open your Cash App and tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner. Select Bitcoin, then scroll down and tap Deposit Bitcoin. Copy your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Next, open your 1inch wallet. Tap the arrows icon at the bottom. Then choose Send. At the top, select Bitcoin as your token. Now, paste the Bitcoin address you copied from Cash App. Enter the amount you want to send, review the details, and tap Send to confirm the transfer. And that's it! You've now sent Bitcoin from 1inch to Cash App. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.